Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. The building that we've been working on, Goodfellows Hall, you can now see it's got its roof on and what have you. I've done everything I wanted to do constructional wise. Now I'm just going to start adding details and bits of weathering. I've done a little bit of weathering on one wall and we'll see that in a second. And I'll stop it rotating when we get to the wall. So I've done a bit there. You can just see there the old streaks and things just below this this window. And I've just done a couple of those on there. Hopefully we'll do some more. I've been using a brown wash for that, and the building's looking good. So hopefully we'll set this turntable going. That's it. And we'll get on with adding some details now, and I'll show you the bits of weathering and muck that I'm going to do on it, and hopefully it'll all go alright, unlike the roof bit. But we do have a new roof on now, and it's all going splendid. So thanks for looking in, and we'll get on with it next. Just about done with this building now. Added some aircon here and there, and just a bit of stuff. Put some chimney pots on this. I don't usually do that, but I thought I would with this one. Just going to dirty him up a bit, and I've put a bit of coloured base on a grey board. And, we'll do some interior at some stage, but we're just about done for now. We'll just give it a mist over, I think, just here and there, just to make it look a bit more weather worn. That's all it is. Thank you all very much. We're just about done with this, I think. Thank you all for looking in. Bye bye for now.